Kat ba nang yai ki snem jong ka jing ai jing shakri shaki pai ba ka thain sning bat kum juru sha kiwe ki jaka na ka bynta ki Khynnah Pule ki Bawan sha hikai ha ki kerdan Pule ba pher bat ki Synod Pule ba pher ka Balawan college bynta kala nangkiu na wei snem sha wei pan bat kala nang don kam ye ki kamera kelas ban penhe bat don kam ru ban nang peniar shu ye ki kamera kelas namar ka jingyo jing shania na ki kimi ki pa jong ki Khynnah Pule jong ka ne ka thain namar ke jing Nangbun jong ki Khynnah Pule ki Balawan ban rung kelas ha ke ka college ki bor pniat jong ka college lane ka college management committee kala tei sa ka weipat ka college building lane ka extension building na lor ka college building ka bahe ka baladon pa la ban kdo bakadan ka jingshim jingkit kli na kalyang jong ki bor pniat college namar ye ka college building ka bathamai la te Khlem don ka jingirap nagi gi lat jingirap lane ki scheme sarkar handai la te ye ka extension building da ka bor jong ka college ka ba jinglut kalakot hadu saup san laktam bat kum ka jing pensa jing kan mau hakane ka singi ka bamanta kata haga khandru trik unai tung arjar arpsau lapli ya kane extension building da baran som sutanga ubdeu ko chairman jaga Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation MIDC jong sarkar jela haga jinga sikhilang jong ki bor pne college ki bakantup yo Reverend Father Pius Sharap ubdeu college administrator ubalong ruha ka jugo por parish priest jong ko umsting parish nang tau Dr. Father Lawrence Kharluni ubdeu principal ka Balawan college ubabu Carlos Kharkongor lemru ba Raymond ubdeu kontraktor ba pensena ye kene ka building lembat kiwi de girang ba kentup ye kino hikai jong kene ka college bat ki samla Pule hadin ke jing pli perda ya mau sa jing kan mau ubalabu haken ro jong ka college building bat ka jing khap ya ribbon kum kadak jong ka jing pli ye kene ka college dau ba ran som sutanga lapen long ye ka jing dwai ka bakarpang bat ka jing kerku kerdo na parish priest komsting parish Reverend Father Pius Sharap ye kene extension building jong ka Balawan college Shushu nagaliang jong baran som sutanga Balawan poi hekana kesengi kum kongsan ulai rap no senyang dagi ben bat ki des jong baro ki kamera kelas ki bela dep ban pen poil pa segi bor punya college
karawa ti ki pa kwa ban tip shushu ngin sa
So today it's an honor to declare the inauguration of the extension of this building of Balawan College for the glory of God the Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit. Thank you.
Got this ribbon as a sign of opening of this college.
Balawan College. I remember last year you participated in one of the college debate organized by the JJ M. Nichols-Roy Memorial Committee for the debate, especially on the 6th schedule. I was asked about the performance of the students from this college, and you were missed by a very, very small margin during the debate. The students who represented from this college have done remarkably very well in the debate. Amongst those colleges, especially from the city, you are among the top college during the debate. Now, today, to see the progress of this college, I think about 12 years, if I'm not mistaken. And we were discussing today with Reverend Father Bhoi and also the principal, Father Lawrence, about the welfare of this college. Now, as you know, this college is one of the private college here in Bhoi. Now in Bhoi we have very few colleges, and this college is now at the upfront. With regards to performance, with regards to infrastructure, I believe this college is upfront in Bhoi College. Yes, many things we are expecting, especially for the recognition of this college as People's College. And I hope that we will surely get as People's College in Bhoi. Now today, as I said, it was really an honor for me to come here and be with you.
Balawan Saint Michael, full. Kibuan kam selang hadin, niyo. Pada kam du nama aktif hi. Kilabu cut off. Masa sana 4% untuk. Kibuan hadin, niyo show. Rekat ni kibuan kruingin bu efficient of. Tinggal tongin stang ke kelas 11 12. Kelas 11 12 pan kadang ni Islam Nangbun. Nangbun Khynnah. Tingin dah kumno yang have extend ke building upstang di evening college. Pan kemen. Namar barki don kata kajing alnur kajing krang barki usapang kajing kemen jemi kamdei habatai kene building kajing kemen jemi kalong haba maki Khynnah kiba don ka kajang tu kajing krang berpule beria sepang kio kajaka ber school bat kajing alnur jemi kalong ba kidei bar krekor bha ki usapang ubulai lo ka berdoa ipi ai piki opportunities kasong aki ba pin don ka Kajing semua yang boleh nak kita kata. Ngai kulai kerpang ni pada Lawrence Karbuni, I badon kani ka jing trang ni jing anur, ban pergi usap trang ni kani ka education ni kani ka jaga jing tres tom hami.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru iwe ar nyau lai.